Alright, so I just want to ask, what were your thoughts on the film, Dudi Jojo?
I thought the film was a really beautiful representation of your people. I feel like, talking about your stories and your songs and how those traditions are passed down through, the woman in your community was really empowering, and I feel like that's something that's so it's relatable to so many Indigenous people.
This film is authentic, powerful, and it's arresting. It gets you, but I think it gets the brown person in me, but it also gets the child in me. There's something very imaginative, and I want this film to be blessed. I really want the right people to see it, and especially our youth, because the youth that haven't grown up first generation, second generation, there might be third or fourth generation, that their journey towards knowing their identity and knowing their culture is available to them. As you said, they just need to take that first step, show a little bit of interest, and I believe our ancestors will wrap around them, and the right ways and the pathway for them to step forward into their authentic self as Fijian, Cook Island, Maoriland, it will happen.
Welcome to our wrap discussion, cool down session. All right, so maybe we'll start with you in the front, driver. What is your favorite memory of this week?
Yeah, my thoughts for the week, awesome. Such a good week, such a good experience, first experience. And especially for it to be at the Māori Film Fest here in Otaki. Couldn't have asked for a better first experience.
Yeah, the pies are really yummy.
Yeah.
The pie.
Very nice. Actually, even the dumplings.
The dumplings.
The fish. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the fish and chips.
Yeah.
I love coming to Maoriland Film Festival because it is my first film festival and my first Indigenous film festival. So it is a really nice space to just come and be surrounded by islanders and by Indigenous people.
I think what I really enjoyed this week was actually like the cultural exchange with the different Indigenous group that came in to Maoriland Film Festival. That's something that I've never seen before. And I really loved it, like people speaking in their mother tongue, everyone respecting the space to be able to do that, and also it was just very genuine. It was just very genuine being in a space where we can share our film here. I didn't feel nervous. At the same time, that was another thing that I really enjoyed this week, was just the reactions to the film, because for us, we're like, oh, will they connect with it? Will they, like, what are their thoughts? And it was a really positive response to the film. So I think I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, vinaka, shout out to Outer Urban Projects for bringing us over here.
Yeah.
And we hope that this was good for you, as it was for us.
Yes, it was.
Vinaka.
Vinaka.